Before we started Stack Overflow, it was impossible to find answers to technical questions online. Developers would search for questions on search engines and come up with all kinds of results that were spam or wrong, out of date, and sometimes behind a paywall.
You would have to find a blog post, and then you'd have to sit there for 10 minutes to dissect that blog post. What Stack Overflow really did was become a place where you can go and get a trusted answer.
My first memory of using Stack is a really basic question about PHP and how classes work, and finding that, wow, that other people have this question because I got votes for it.
That's the coolest part, is seeing all the embarrassing questions I asked in the beginning.
My first memory of using Stack Overflow.
There have been so many times where I would get stuck and I'd feel stupid for being stuck.
It becomes kind of like a badge of honor in your career to say, here's where I was and here's where I am now.
Don't use this at all.
The community, they're really the ones that hold the integrity of the site together.
According to this, I have been on Stack Overflow forever.
Enabling developers to become better programmers thanks to each other's efforts is a hugely
Every time I wear a Stack Overflow shirt, a developer comes up to me and the first thing they say is, "I love you guys, thank you so much." And I always reply, "Thank you," because it really is about them. And the second thing they always say is, "Do you know Joel?"
Stack Overflow has been so helpful in my career, not just in answering questions, but also just in boosting my confidence.
If I look here at my profile, it says that I've impacted almost 1 million people. I think that's the thing that makes me the most happy out of it.
That part of it, I think, is profound.
I love helping developers with their code. I love problem solving, and by helping them, I'm also helping myself because I learn a lot in the process.
It's changed my experience as a coder. It's enabled me to make things I could not make otherwise, and for that I can be nothing but grateful to the community.
Stack Overflow was always intended to be a community that welcomed everybody. What we learned is because of some of the challenges in the industry more broadly, we're trying to remove those barriers and make it easier for people to get involved.
As millions and millions more people are going to be coding, millions and millions more people are going to have code as part of their work, even if they don't see themselves as coders. I'm proud to be, even have a tiny bit of a connection to that, and that's something I sort of reflect on every day.
Advocating for software developers and helping them learn from each other and create best practices, work more behind the scenes, but keeping that in mind is what really allows me to feel like I'm giving back and feel like the work that we're doing is shaping the future of technology, which at this point is the same as the future of the world. That was okay, right?